Hello and a warmest welcome to BA Football Best Analysis. Iran starts the match in a classic 4-4-2 formation, a well-structured and familiar system that maintains compact and closely connected lines out of position, while in position aiming to build from the back with a balanced use of width and depth. In this moment, one of Iran's strikers intelligently drops deeper after recognizing the team's need for an extra body in midfield. By positioning himself between the lines, he creates numerical superiority in the central area. This smart movement allows Iran to bypass the opponent's initial pressure and circulate the ball more smoothly, transitioning from the first phase of build-up into the second phase with greater control and security. This simple yet crucial movement perfectly reflects the evolving role of strikers in modern football, where a forward is no longer just a finisher, but can also play a decisive role in building up and progression. New Zealand lines up in a 4-2-3-1 formation, a modern and balanced structure built around defensive stability in the first two lines and flexibility in attack. In this system, the two holding midfielders play a crucial role in controlling the space in front of the defensive line, acting as the first shield against opposition attacks. Meanwhile, the three attacking midfielders behind the striker constantly rotate and reposition themselves, looking to create a space between the opponent's lines and connect defense to attack. The central striker acts as the focal point of the attack, a player capable of both holding up play with his back to the goal and threatening the defensive line with runs in behind. This setup shows that despite their structured shape, New Zealand aims to balance defensive security with efficient exploitation of transitional spaces in attack. Iran focuses on breaking the opponent's defensive shift by using diagonal passing patterns and quick switches of play to create a spatial superiority. The main objective is to pull the opponent's defensive structure out of balance and exploit moments of delayed movement or lack of coordination between defensive lines. In this phase, the wingers maintain width on both flanks, stretching the opposition's backline and opening spaces between the lines. Ball circulation through midfield is purposeful, designed to create the right timing for a switch of play. Eventually, a precise diagonal pass from the right flank quickly transfers the ball toward the left winger. The ball reaches Iran's left winger at the perfect moment. New Zealand adopts a direct and aggressive approach in this attacking sequence. The goalkeeper initiates play with a long and purposeful pass directly towards the team's striker, bypassing the first build-up phase and quickly targeting dangerous areas. Here, the unique qualities of Chris Wood become decisive. His ability to hold the ball under pressure becomes the key factor. Using his physical strength and excellent back-to-goal play, he controls position brilliantly and executes an effective turn, beating his direct marker while buying time for the teammates to join the attack. This intelligent hold-up play activates the second wave of attack, allowing supporting players to arrive with coordinated runs. Ultimately, this combination of direct play and physical dominance disrupts Iran's defensive structure, and with a quick attacking combination, New Zealand finds the back of the net. After succeeding through direct play and target man usage, the objective is to increase attacking width and flood the penalty area with more players, applying greater pressure on Iran's defensive line. The ball is moved toward the flanks, where the wingers aim to create numerical superiority in both the half spaces and wide channels. At the same time, midfielders and fullbacks advance with calculated timing, increasing the number of players inside and around the penalty area. With this attacking overload established, crosses become the primary weapon. New Zealand looks to use targeted deliveries from wide areas to stretch Iran's defensive shape and exploit its spaces inside the central defensive zone. Iran creates danger here through a smart combination play on the right side. Ramin Rezaeian spots the open space on the right flank and recognizes the opponent's poor defensive coverage. He drives forward with the ball, moving laterally to destabilize the defensive shape. He then plays a pass into the central midfielder and immediately makes a penetrative run behind the defensive line, offering himself as a return option. This intelligent movement forces the defensive block to drop and reorganize. The central midfielder then plays a well-timed combination pass into the striker. Under physical pressure, the striker protects the ball brilliantly, executes an effective turn, and recognizes Ramin's run behind the defense. He releases the ball perfectly into his path. In the end, Ramin Rezaeian receives the ball in an excellent position and finishes with precision to score Iran's first goal. This scene clearly highlights the value of direct play and the importance of a target striker. With a quick long pass, the team immediately engages the central forward, bypassing multiple passing layers to reach dangerous zones faster. In such situations, a striker with the right technical and physical profile becomes a crucial reference point. The ability to control the ball under pressure, hold position with back to goal, and manage the first contact with defenders is essential for sustaining the attack. Here, the striker uses a quick and calculated turn to separate from his direct marker and creates just enough space for a shot. The simple but highly effective movement catches the defense off guard and creates a serious goal-scoring opportunity. New Zealand targets Iran's defensive striker here with a simple yet highly effective combination play. The attack starts with a forward pass into the striker. After receiving the ball, instead of slowing the play down, the striker intelligently keeps the attacking rhythm alive, taking advantage of the defense's momentary disorganization. For a few seconds, Iran's defenders lose concentration, and small gaps begin to appear between the defensive lines, exactly the kind of spaces that becomes decisive at the highest level. Recognizing this imbalance, the striker cleverly returns the ball into the path of the original passer. This perfectly timed return pass completely breaks Iran's defensive line and sends the runner through one-on-one with the goalkeeper. The attacker capitalizes on this golden opportunity and scores New Zealand's second goal. Once again, diagonal passing is used as a key tool to switch the point of attack. A long and accurate diagonal ball is played from the left flank toward the right winger. This rapid switch pulls the opponent's defensive structure out of balance and allows the right winger to receive in space with momentum. After controlling the ball and advancing into a dangerous area, he delivers a precise cross into the penalty box. Inside the area, Mohammad Mohebbi times his movement perfectly, rises above the defenders, and powers a header into the net. Thank you for watching. Godspeed.